Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. And yes, this is going to be the year of the foldable display. We had Samsung come out first to show us what a foldable smartphone should look like. And I thought Samsung definitely did an awesome job with what they brought to the table. Now we got the Huawei Mate X, and Huawei, I'm going to tell you, has done a phenomenal job with the design of this smartphone. Now this is Huawei's take on what a foldable smartphone should look like, right? Now you're going to get 3 displays, right? When it's closed on the front, you're going to get a 6.6-inch display, which looks beautiful. This would make it, for me, an everyday driver. And also on the back, you're going to get a 6.3-inch display. And when it's unfolded, people, it unfolds a little bit bigger than what Samsung has brought to the table, an 8-inch display, which looks awesome. Now, this does have a camera display. It's going to be a triple camera. Now, they're not saying what the features are going to be on this camera just yet, but we will find out soon enough, and you will be able to charge with USB Type-C. Now, the charge on this thing is phenomenal. They're calling it a 55-watt SuperCharge, which is going to charge 0 to 85% in just 30 minutes, which is off the charts. I like what they brought to the table, and the battery capacity, they got 2 batteries, quite like Samsung did, and it's going to be a 4,500 milliamp hour battery, which is awesome. Now, listen to this, people. The price for this thing is going to be through the roof. This one is going to be $2,200 out the door. All right, so the price on these things are kind of outrageous, but I'm telling you, the design looks beautiful. Now, one of the things that I really like about the Huawei Mate X is that it has the hinge mechanism in the back where the camera is placed and some of the hardware that you can hold on to without having to put your fingerprints on the display, and you can hold this thing with one hand. I thought that was awesome. And it does have a fingerprint scanner. No, it's not up under the display, but you can touch it on the side in order to open up this smartphone display. Again, Huawei's take on what a foldable smartphone should look like looks awesome. But the question at the end of the day, people, which one will you choose? Will you choose the Galaxy Fold, or will you choose the Huawei Mate X? And is the Huawei Mate X a Galaxy Fold killer? All right, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this one, and let me know which one will you buy. And with that being said, hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.